Hello guys, welcome to my channel with another new video. Friends, I have many toys here. See, all are nice and colorful. Wow. So friends, at first I will introduce all of this toy with you, and next I will hand drive all of my toys with my hand. So at first is a army helicopter. See, this is a army helicopter. See this color. This color is green, gray, and black color combination. Wow. And next one is a 3D DS Tarzan car. See, this is nice color combination Tarzan car. See this color. This color is pink color, white color, blue color, green color, and black silver combination. Wow, see, very nice design. And next one is a elephant. Sorry, this is animal truck. Wow, this is a animal truck. Wow, see this color? This color is orange, paste black, and yellow color combination. Wow. And next one is a runner car. See, this is a runner car. Wow, this is very nice color combination runner car. See this is red color, white color, and black color combination runner car. Wow. And next one is a very big size tourist bus. See, this is big size tourist bus. See this color? This is red color, black color, paste color, yellow color, and silver color combination bus. And next one is a Spider-Man car. Wow, this is a Spider-Man car. Yes, this is a Spider-Man car. See this color? This full body color is pink, and these glasses are black, and this wheel black and white color combination. Wow, friends, see, that is a Spider-Man sticker. Wow. And next one and last one is a mixer machine. See, this is very big size mixer machine. See this color? This drum color is white, and this full body color is red, and this wheel color is black and white color combination. So friends, all of my toys are introduced with you, and now I will hand drive all of my toys with my hand. So wasting any more time, let's go. At first is a army helicopter. So let's go. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. Next one is a 3D DS Tarzan car. Wow, I parked this beside army helicopter. And next one is a animal truck. So let's go. Wow, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. And next one is a runner car. Wow, friends, I parked here beside animal truck. Next one is a big size tourist bus. Wow, I parked here beside runner car. And next one is a Spider-Man car. Wow, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. And last one is a under construction vehicle mixer machine. So let's go. Wow, friends, I reached my parking place. See, all of my vehicles are parked here. See, all are parked here. So I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.